You watch the last set up camera? Morning now squad, you done your boy Journal. I'm here with Nelante. Yeah, so we just wake up about 2 hours ago. Well, you know what I mean by just wake up 2 hours ago. It's like I wake up for about 2 hours and I'm just in the bed with the baby. I made him just there easy and I go and build back. You understand? So I just get up now and give him a fresh, you know. The reason why I left the rag, this rag, is me. The reason why I left the rag right there, so because him have a tendency for any time we like take off him pampers or anything, him just choose to pee that time. And trust me people, it's not a regular sprout, a pee. You see me? A people we are fire like much miles per hour. You see me? So yeah. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna lotion him up and everything, put on him clothes, so you know I'm gonna set the camera on one side so you can see what's going on. Him have an next tendency for when I put on him pampers, him stretch out him foot them so I can hardly get for like, you know, wrap the pampers around him certain way.